Imagine a place where glass rains sideways at thousands of miles per hour, or a planet so close to its star that its surface melts and evaporates into space. Some planets out there are nightmares you can't even imagine, and they really exist. Today, we're diving into the most horrifying planets ever discovered. You're going to wish you never had to set foot on any of these. The universe is a big, beautiful place, but it's also home to some truly terrifying worlds. Not every planet is as calm and cozy as Earth. In fact, some of the planets astronomers have found are straight out of a sci-fi horror story. From blazing hot wastelands to frigid, dark giants, these planets defy everything we thought we knew about the universe, and some of them feel like they shouldn't even exist. So, buckle up, because we're about to go on a journey to the most dangerous, uninhabitable, and downright nightmarish planets ever discovered. It's going to get strange and definitely a little terrifying. Astronomers have been on a mission to find other planets beyond our solar system, and their findings have been well, disturbing to say the least. You'd think planets would just be rocks or balls of gas circling stars. But what they've found is something far more extreme. Imagine a world where you'd burn alive in seconds, or one where winds could tear you apart before you had a chance to blink. But why do these planets even exist? And what does that mean for our place in the universe? We're about to explore 5 of the scariest planets that defy logic and the brutal, bizarre forces that shape them. HD 189,733 billion, the planet of glass shards. First up, meet HD 189,733 billion, a planet that could make even the most extreme horror movie look tame. Picture this: on this planet, it literally rains glass. But not just any rain, this glass falls sideways in 5,400 mile-per-hour winds. That's like a sandstorm on steroids, with glass particles slicing through the air at supersonic speeds. Now, you're probably thinking, how can that even happen? It's because this planet is so close to its parent star that its atmosphere is superheated, causing silicate particles to vaporize. As they cool down, these particles form glass, which then whips around the planet in deadly storms. No spacesuit, no tech we have could withstand that kind of torture. Imagine standing on the surface, if you somehow could, with shards of glass shredding the sky. It's a world designed for disaster, where everything is a deadly weapon. Kepler 70 billion, the planet that's hotter than a star. If you think Venus is hot, you've got to hear about Kepler 70 billion. This planet reaches temperatures of up to 7,000 degrees Fahrenheit, that's hotter than some stars. It's so close to its star that it orbits once every 6 hours. In fact, Kepler 70 billion is practically skimming the surface of its star. This proximity means the planet is constantly bombarded with intense radiation and heat. The atmosphere, burned away, the surface, melting and evaporating into space. Kepler 70 billion is a scorched wasteland that's barely hanging on, practically boiling away as it clings to its sun. It's like being inside an oven, except on an unimaginable scale. What's mind-boggling is that Kepler 70 billion may have once been a gas giant like Jupiter, but over time the star's heat and gravity stripped it down to its rocky core. Now it's one of the hottest, most inhospitable places we've ever found. WASP 12 billion, the planet being eaten by its star. Next on our list is WASP 12 billion, a planet that's literally being devoured by its own sun. Orbiting extremely close to its star, WASP 12 billion has a strange, elongated shape due to the intense gravitational pull stretching it like a piece of cosmic taffy. This planet is so close that it's losing around 6 billion metric tons of material every second. Bit by bit, its atmosphere is getting sucked into the star, like water going down a drain. Scientists estimate that WASP 12 billion only has a few million years left before it's completely gone. Think about that. This isn't just a planet under harsh conditions, it's a planet being actively pulled apart, atom by atom. Watching it from space, it would look like a world slowly unraveling into the heart of its sun. These planets show us just how bizarre and terrifying the universe can be. They make Earth look like a paradise in comparison. But here's the thing, scientists are discovering more of these hell worlds every year. Who knows what else we'll find out there? With each new discovery, we get closer to understanding just how strange our universe truly is. From razor-sharp glass storms to planets being eaten alive, these horrifying worlds push the limits of what we thought was possible. Each one reminds us that our universe isn't just beautiful, it's wild, unpredictable, and sometimes utterly terrifying. Subscribe for more trips to the strangest corners of the cosmos.